Hi guys. So I am so excited because tomorrow at this time I will already be doing my live online summit Revolve. Hi everyone. Say hello, tell me where you're signing in from. So many of you have already signed up, like hundreds of you, for my big first live online summit Revolve tomorrow. There are less than 24 hours left. We have a few dozen seats left. I am so excited that we are doing this. I have a great lineup of guests. I have a fabulous talk prepared for all of you. And you get 3 books sent to your home. So have you registered yet? Last few dozen seats left. We are so excited. The replay will be sent to you. Don't worry if you miss the actual live event. Don't worry. You will get the replay, which is good for 60 days. So let me be frank with you and just tell you a few things. You know, people come to me for individual sessions, and each individual session for 45 minutes is pretty pricey, yes? And people often have to book several sessions. Many times during those sessions, I tell people, you know, why don't you just go take a course? Because you first need to take a course of mine rather than do this one-on-one. Now, people like the one-on-one, so no harm in that. Why do I say take a course? Because in the course, there is so much condensed information that I give that you get your bang for your buck so much better than a one-on-one session. Now, one-on-one has its own power and positivity, no doubt. But there's so much learning that needs to go into making a change, so much understanding that you need a course. So tomorrow, you're going to get a huge bang for your buck. For less than $200 for almost 8 hours, come on. So this is an unbeatable price, including getting 3 books, including 5 guests, and a bonus masterclass sent to your home. So I'm not playing here. Like, I want it to be affordable. I want as many people to have access so they can change. Why? Because everyone right now, everyone I speak to is having a really hard time. In some aspect or the other, life has changed for every single human on the planet. And in order to adjust and adapt and transform oneself to the changing tide, it requires a set of skills. You need to implement a set of skills. And I cannot tell you how many times I've said to myself, like, how are people doing this if they don't have these set of skills? I know what I need to do every single day in order to maximally optimize my life. And I apply these principles and I maximally optimize my life. But if people don't know what these skills are, if they don't understand how to adapt, how to strategize, how to think about this situation, and if your mindset isn't right, then nothing else can be right, then how do you move forward? So the way to do it is to practically optimize your life, and you have to apply certain skills moment by moment. So in order to do that, I am spreading what skills I use every single day. And if you use these skills consistently, over time, you will begin to optimize your life. So this is what I'm going to share with you tomorrow. You will get a PDF of the entire presentation in your inbox. I like to share my information. You will get it all, and I will teach you what I do on a daily basis. And if you begin to align yourself with what I teach, there is no way you will not be more joyful, more radiant, more resplendent, more energetic, more resilient. There's no way. So if you want to be more resilient, then maybe you want to attend my live online summit tomorrow, less than 24 hours. You will get this entire replay online. If you cannot attend live, don't worry. But anywhere in the world, you can access this online summit. You can maybe hear the one thing you've been needing to hear to turn your life around. So go to my website, drshefali.com, click on Revolve, and you will get the information on the summit. So the cost of registration includes a bonus masterclass that will be sent to your inbox right away. 3 books that will be mailed to your home whenever coronavirus allows soon, and 7 hours with me tomorrow, and 5 guests, and a possibility to change your life. So many of you are already joining Revolve. I see many of you are already signing up. It's at drshefali.com and click on the big banner there. drshefali.com, click on the big banner. It is less than 24 hours away. Tomorrow at this time, we will be knee deep into the summit, learning how to elevate, how to empower. And I will share with you what I do. No joke. I'm not going to theorize and aggrandize and pedestalize some fancy ideas in space. I'm going to tell you what I do on a daily basis and how to think about life the right way. I'm sorry, there's a way to think about life that if you think about it in this way, the way that I'm going to teach, 100% you're going to change your life. I'm not lying. I mean, this is what I do. I go through difficult moments in my life applying these principles. And when I apply these principles, I not only can cope with my life, I transform my life. I change it around. So come to my seminar tomorrow, my summit tomorrow. You will get tons of books in your mail. This is my new book coming out next week. Give it away to your friends if you have many coming to you, and learn something about how to elevate tomorrow, how to use 2020 to be at a different level, how to use your life for purpose, how to use your life for service, how to use it for passion, and be alive. How do I be alive? How do I use this life to my maximal optimization? And I'm not talking about money. I'm not talking about looks. I'm not talking about people. I'm not talking about popularity. I'm talking about an inner sense of fulfillment and power. And when you feel this inner sense of alignment and power, your life is unstoppable because you wake up every day eager to understand yourself better. So this is what I'm going to teach tomorrow. It is tomorrow, people, my first live online summit. Have you signed up yet? You will get a bonus masterclass in your inbox, 3 books when the mail sends it to you. It's a little delayed, but you will get it. And 7+ hours with me tomorrow, a replay sent to you if you miss it, good for 60 days, a PDF of my entire presentation, and 5 guests, all for less than $200. So, a live session with me for 45 minutes is almost 4 times that. I know, I charge a little bit. So if you can't ever do a live session with me, this is the next best deal ever. So hope to see you there tomorrow. Sign up now. Go to my website, drshefali.com. The big banner for Revolve is right there. Hope to see you there. I see people signing up in my email box already. Fabulous. Can't wait for this to begin tomorrow. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to sign up on my website, drshefali.com. Okay, guys. I see somebody's posting the link. It's the link with Revolve. I hope I see you there. See you.